Amaphoyisa ophiko lwe-South African Police Service abambeke Inguyazana Namalungu Omphakathi Asekhulile aseGoli namuhla ekuseni ngenhloso yokubavulela inkundla yokuzwakalisa ukukhathazeka kwabo mayelana nokuphepha kanye nezinselelo ababhekana nazo emihleni. Ithunywa ke beyivela ezinhlakeni ezihlukene okubalwa kuzo umnyango wazasekhaya, isasa, umnyango wokuthuthukiswa komphakathi kanye nomnyango wezempilo bayifikeleke bona mathupha ukuzohlinzeka usizo lapho lidingeka khona. Kanti ke iphini likamkhuzi amaphoyisa waseGauteng uJenene Fred unxuseke umphakathi ukuthi ke uvikela abantu asebekhulile wakhuthaza ke nezaguga ukuthi zikubike ukuhlukumezeka kwazo wayikhumbuza ke nokuthi ke umthetho ukhonela khona ke ukuvikela zona namalungelo azo.
Isebe lespolisa loMzantsi Afrika libambe indibano nabantu abadala ukuqaphela indima abayidlalayo kunye nokuva ngengxaki abajongana nazo ukuze kwenziwe indlela yokufumana izisombululo ukuqinisekisa ukuba baphila kwiingingqi ezingcono.
There is certain issues of concern which were raised. We were advised and requested to fix ourselves. It's very, very important to go back and do introspection as a person and collectively as an institution. We took note. We are aware, of course, yes, there is challenges daily. There is reports that are not so good about law enforcement in general. It's negative. It's not good for us.
Ababantu badala bakhuthazwe ukuba bathethe phandle ngengxaki kunye nempathombi abahlangabezana nazo bekwakhunjuzwa nangemigaqo nkqubo ebekiweyo ukubakhusela.
Hence, we have laws in this country called Older Persons Act, which give guidelines to all government departments and all inhabitants how elderly must be treated and be taken care of. It includes their rights and dignity they deserve. In SAPS, we have our Social Crime Prevention Department, which looks into outreach, into engaging and mobilizing structures and communities, including the elderly, and ensuring that we have sessions like this to assist, to listen, to engage our elderly.
Olusuku inxalenye yalo ibikukubapha izipho zelaqukunjelwa ngomyalezo wesimemelelo somanyano apho wonke ubani enoxanduva lokukhokhelisa imfuno nokhuseleko lwabantu abadala. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.